Concrete is a mixture of cement, sand, and three-quarter stones combined with water, which is an essential requirement for all constructions of any type or scale. Quality and the durability of concrete are vital factors for a solid construction, achieved by the use of high-quality materials mixed according to correct weight ratios, using the right amount of water, and the correct use of admixtures. Concrete made manually on site, mixed by hand, or using small mixing machines is the conventional method for concrete. Alternatively, concrete can be made in specialized batching plants, then delivered to construction sites using mixer trucks. This method is called Readymix concrete. Let's now look at a comparison between these two methods in terms of quality and consistency, efficiency in cost and time, and the convenience offered. The burden of sourcing raw materials, negotiating prices, and coordinating with suppliers will be on your hands. Furthermore, you will be responsible for the material quality and the quantities ordered to be adequate. You can simply place an order over the phone for the exact amount of concrete required. Your engineer or a technical officer from Tokyo Supermix can easily calculate this based on the square area of the construction. Using materials and low quality and adverse storage conditions will lower the overall quality and consistency of your concrete. Raw materials of high quality are sourced after a series of quality checks, which is then stored under standardized storage conditions to assure that the quality and the consistency of concrete is not compromised. Materials added to the concrete are measured by the number of pans or showels, which makes the quality and the consistency of the mix highly questionable. Materials are weighed to a formula using an electronic measuring system and recorded automatically for accuracy when adding raw materials to the concrete mix. Hence, quality and consistency in each and every mix is assured. Adding the correct amount of water to mix the concrete plays a vital role in achieving high strength and durability. However, when mixing manually, water is added ad hoc until an easily workable mix is achieved based on the instructions given by the chief mason. This practice has an adverse effect both on the quality and the consistency of the concrete. Referring to a computerized mix design plan, water is measured and added accurately for optimum results. This practice assures both the quality and the consistency of concrete is maintained at optimum levels. Processing of concrete happens in an open area with the least amount of process controls and quality checks. Furthermore, when mixing manually, the concrete is processed in smaller batches where inconsistency between batches is unavoidable. Greater amounts of raw materials are processed as batches in an enclosed processing system, which consists of specialized mixing machinery and equipment to maintain consistency between each and every concrete batch. Furthermore, the final concrete is issued only after a series of tests conducted by trained quality checking officers. Conventional methods of mixing concrete does not practice in customizing the mix for special constructional requirements, such as extended hardening time, which is known as retardation, increased strength generation, waterproofing, and greater workability. Usage of special chemicals, also known as admixtures, enable Readymix concrete to offer a range of concrete solutions, also known as mix designs customized for special constructional requirements, whilst maintaining fresh state properties or the workability to extended time periods. From the material storage space from your worksite, more space is required for processing concrete, which then needs to be taken to the work area in small quantities, either in pans, buckets, or wheelbarrows. This can be an extra burden and a highly labor-intensive process, especially when building multiple stories. Concrete processed in Tokyo Supermix batching plants are directly taken to the construction sites by mixer trucks. Therefore, no worksite space is required for processing. Furthermore, concrete can be directly pumped to higher floors or to a distance with the help of pump cars, which offers high efficiency and convenience. Concreting larger work areas will require a greater workforce for processing and application of concrete, yet the speed of construction will be comparatively less as concrete is made in small batches. Larger volumes of concrete can be processed and poured back to back, enabling high work area coverage at a greater speed. Labor requirement is also comparatively less, hence, costs spent on labor as well as labor-prone errors are minimum. Ready-mix concrete is processed in a controlled, mechanized environment, and raw materials are used efficiently with no wastage to minimize impact on our environment. This might not be the same when it comes to concrete mixed manually at site. Concrete of adverse quality and consistency can lead to a series of complications in your construction, such as cracks, leaks, honeycombing, poor strength achievement, and even collapses. In the event of a complication, you will either have to accept the construction as it is or bear further losses for reworking, which also results in material wastage and construction delays. But by using a reliable ready-mix concrete supplier such as Tokyo Supermix, you will be assured of a hassle-free operation with concrete of guaranteed quality and consistency. Furthermore, you are entitled to a host of added benefits, such as after-sales support and technical assistance, 24/7 uninterrupted supply, a range of customized concrete mix designs at competitive prices, concrete sample testing facilities, and an unparalleled service by a team of experts. Tokyo Supermix is the nation's largest concrete supply network, with 11 concrete batching plants island-wide, serviced by a fleet of over 125 concrete mixer trucks and pump cars. Concrete for your construction is now just a simple call away. Tokyo Supermix, concreting confidence.